Okay everyone, so here is another quick short tip in Photoshop if you want to change someone's hair colour. So you're going to take your main layer, you're going to bring it down and duplicate that layer. You're then going to right click or double press on the smart mouse and you're going to come down to convert to smart object. We're then going to come to filter and we're going to come to camera raw filter. And then just at the side here, you're going to see this little symbol here. So you're going to select here and it's going to find people in the photo. You're going to select that person here. And then from here, you can choose what you want to change color to. So we're going to select hair, and then we're going to hit create. Okay. And then from here, as it's selected the hair, you can change the temperature, you can change the tint, and then you can also take the hue and saturation and you can adjust that hair color to whatever you want it to be. We can bring the saturation up just like that there. And that's another quick short tip, and I hope that helps you with wanting to change someone's hair colour.